everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video I am actually going to test out few makeup products like this. Here I have some new makeup products. Some were sent by the brand and most of these I got by myself, like with my own money. So I'll tell you guys everything about it. I also have a highlighter, a cream highlighter by the way, which is under the price of rupees 100. It was just rupees 99. So I am super excited to try everything out in today's video. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, if you are someone who's new to this channel, thank you so much for watching this video. I post makeup and skincare related videos on this channel right here. So you can hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, because that way you are going to stay updated every time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. So I just zoomed in you guys so that you can see what I'm doing. So first off, I have this MAC. This is the Strobe Cream. I actually got it sent by the brand. I have been using it for quite some time. It is not a new product or anything. I'm just going to apply this. I am using this because I haven't used it on my channel right here. And honestly, I feel a little, I don't know, a little out of place to use high-end products on my channel, because I obviously always use drugstore and I obviously use always like affordable stuff. So sometimes I also do want to try out some really high-end products, because that way I can show you guys which are the affordable dupes, or are there any alternatives it is like worth buying, So this is how the MAC Strobe Cream looks like after just putting it all over my face. So this is the Missha BB Cream that I recently got, and you guys know about how I feel about this BB Cream. I absolutely love it. So this is a new product that I recently got, and obviously it's not like a whole new product, but I still wanted to include this in this video. I'm just going to use a little bit of it. So I just wanted to say that I actually have been a little bit sick, under the weather. I'm not feeling that well. Today I'm feeling actually pretty well. I haven't filmed a video. It's been like 3 days I haven't filmed a video, and today, since I was feeling well, I actually wanted to film a video, and I had some new makeup. So I was like, you know what, I'm not going to stress about my video that much today. I'm not going to do a review or anything like that. And by the way, this I am in the shade number 29, and this has SPF 42 in it. I already used it once on my channel, so I'm just using this once more. I absolutely love this BB cream, by the way. It is so good on the skin, like it looks so good. So anyway, yeah, I was saying I was really sick. I updated it on my Instagram, and I really wasn't feeling like doing any videos, because I was continuously sick and I couldn't just film the video. I didn't have the energy to film a video. But now I feel good, and I was like, oh my god, today I feel good, and I really wanted to sit in front of the camera, put on some makeup, and yeah. So as you can see, this BB cream just looks like skin, obviously, but it also gives a very beautiful finish. I mean, it looks very, very dewy. If you have oily skin, you need to definitely powder your face, but I don't want to. I think it looks very good. And also the MAC Strobe Cream really helped with the whole dewiness thing. So I'm going to use a concealer that I haven't used in such a long time. This is the Ordinary concealer. I didn't like it that much. The last time I tried it, I wasn't a really big fan of this concealer, and I also don't like the squeezy tube, but you just need a very little amount of this concealer. And I am in the shade 2.1Y. I just think that there are so many good concealers in the Indian market nowadays that you do not have to go out your way and get the Ordinary one. It's nothing of that sort, it's nothing extraordinary, pun intended. So anyway, it's not like something that you're going to absolutely love, or yeah. So I just feel like it's not that great of a concealer. I mean, I really like my Swiss Beauty concealer more than this Ordinary one. So yeah, I just don't think that you all should spend your money on this one. So this is how the concealer looks like. As you can see, it's pretty okay. It's not that great, where you have to go and buy this. I just think that you can definitely skip on the concealer. So anyway, I got few products from Palladio. I think that's how you pronounce the name. I have no idea, by the way. Anyway, I got some things. The thing I have to talk about this brand is not positive. So first, when I ordered it, I ordered like around you know, around 1,400-ish rupees. All of these products retail for 1,400, and they were having a sale, and that is why I got it. Like, I saw on Instagram that they were having a sale and I got it, and honestly I have to tell you guys, the customer service is so bad. Please do not get anything from this brand or from their website, because their customer service is like shit, I'm telling you guys. And I ordered from Amazon. You can order from Amazon as well, this brand. Maybe if you want to try out this brand, you can order it from Amazon. From their website, it's totally shit. The thing what happened with me is that I ordered, you know, all these products, but my order didn't make it through their website, but my money was deducted. So I was like in a panic mode, obviously, because 1,400 is not it's a lot of money for me, at least. So I was panicking. I was like, you know what, my money is like gone already, and no one was answering to me. I wrote them emails, I messaged them on their Instagram. I also called them actually to talk about this issue, but no one was responding. And a lot of you guys on my Instagram tagged the brand as well about it, but you know, the brand did not respond at all. So the next day I called them up again, and they picked up the phone, and you know, they resolved my issue. But I did not like the customer service, because I was continuously trying to, you know, get to them, and they responded to me after like 3 days or 4 days. So that I feel like wasn't really good. Now coming on to the products, I got this blush thing. This is a 2-in-1 blush and bronzer. I don't see how this can be a bronzer. So yeah, I just think that, you know, when I was swatching this, I felt like it was quite powdery. And the shade, honestly, it's a little light on me for a blush and a bronzer, but we'll see. The next I got here is this baked blush type of a situation. So this one, and on the website I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I really want to get that, because that one looked so good and it was like a very nice sheen type of a blush. But when I got it and when I swatched it, it is full of shimmers, like visible actual shimmers, and I have a lot of texture going on. Like, you cannot see that on video, but I have a lot of texture going on, and if I apply this blush, I will look so bad. Like, my makeup is going to look so bad because this contains shimmer. Like, this is so shimmery. I did not like the formulation of this at all, by the way. Now coming on to the highlighter, this is the liquid highlighter, and I was like so glad to get it. Like, I was so excited that I got this highlighter. I swatched it, and oh my god, this one has so much of shimmers again. I really want that sheen type of a highlighter, and I have so many in my collection that gives me that beautiful sheen, you know, beautiful natural glow. This one is packed with shimmers, and I really did not like how this looked. And the last thing I got here is this crushed eyeshadow. Now the shade of this is very beautiful, and I think so this is the only shadow which I feel like, this is the only product which I feel like would be, you know, good from this whole thing that I got from the brand. Other than that, I did not like anything, but obviously today I'm not going to use that much, you know, the whole of this thing I'm not going to use. I'm just going to use the blush and the bronzer, because I have another eyeshadow and another, you know, highlighter to test out. So I'm just going to use this all over as like a blush and a bronzer thing, and we'll see how this works. So I'm going to take a little bit of it. As you can see, it's very, very powdery, but hopefully it works well. So this is how the shade looks like. I feel like it was quite okay. I mean, it's not bad, but I don't know if it can be used as a bronzer and a blush, like 2-in-1. It is matte and it did work pretty well. It's like not too pigmented where you feel like, you know, you cannot just you know, put this all over. You can build it up, and I feel like it was quite good. Yeah, it was like okay, I feel like. It doesn't have visible shimmers to it, obviously. The shade also is pretty okay for me. I think I'm going to use this more in the future. I don't want to say I'm quite impressed, but it's not bad. So the next product I got here is this Insight. As you can see, this is a liquid, sorry, not a liquid, a cream highlighter. Now this one retailed for only rupees 99. Yeah, I got this for 99. I cannot even imagine that this was 99 rupees. So I'm just going to take a little bit on my fingers and put it right here. Okay, this might be a little too intense. So this is how it looks like. Obviously it looks pretty good Currently I am having a little bit of texture issues, so honestly I'm not really applying highlighter that much, but it does look pretty good. I mean, it doesn't have visible shimmers at least. So yeah, I feel like working in with a sponge is going to give you that soft natural look. As you can see right here, soft natural look. This is a little bit intense. I use my fingers, so it's up to you. I think I like the sponge side a bit more better, you know, because it did give me that very subtle glow, which I'm all about, the subtle glow. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I am pretty happy with the cream highlighter, by the way, and this actually looks like a ColourPop, you know, packaging. But yeah, for 99, you guys, I don't see any fault in this highlighter at all. As you can see, I have a little bit of, you know, how do I say, texture. Yeah, texture. And you can see the highlighter on this area as well. You can see the concealer, why I hate it. It's creasing like hell right here. But anyway, this is how the highlighter looks like. Totally impressed. So right now I'm going to go in with my eyes, and I actually thought of using the Palladio. This is the crushed eyeshadow, but I also wanted to use the multi-chrome eyeshadows from TF Beauty. So I just thought I'll test this out in another video maybe, but today I am going to use this multi-chrome eyeshadows, and I am super excited to try this one out. So I already have done a video with them, and their formulation is so good. So yeah, I'm just going to use these eyeshadows today. So for the eyes now, I'm just going to take some transition shade like this one, and put it all over my eyes. Taking the TF Beauty, these are the multi-chrome shadow, and I am just going to place it on the center of my lid. So after applying the first layer, I am going to go in with the second layer. I'm going to use my fingers right here, and as you can see, taking a little bit and just putting it on the center. So this eyeshadow, I feel like, looks so good, and it's not translating like that on camera. It's just, you know, it has this shade of pink, but in person it looks very, on some light it looks golden, on some light it's looking a very pinkish maroon type. So I really did like it. And honestly, now I'm just going to use this mascara and put on some lashes. So these are the lashes that I'm going to apply from Amazon. I cut them in half. You guys know the drill. I cut them in half. I apply this all the time on my lashes. So I'm using the Europe Girl Lash Glue. So the next product I have here is these glosses. Now I got these glosses, like they were sent to me by this brand. This is a very small business on Instagram. Her glosses are amazing. Like, I have used two of these, like these two, and I love it so much. You all definitely should check out the brand. It's amazing, and for the price I really love it a lot. And I have the shade, I really don't know the shade of these two, but these two are my favorite. So this is like a very, you know, very brown type of a gloss, and this is definitely a nude gloss. I mix this two and it gives me the perfect nude gloss, and it is so shiny. You're going to see what I mean by that, and give me a clear gloss as well. I haven't used this yet, but obviously I love the formula a lot, and I'm going to use this gloss a little bit. You don't need a lot. It is definitely pigmented, so that much I use it. And I think it is in the shade Peachy, and I'm going to use the lighter nude. So this is how the gloss looks like. I mean, I love it so much. I really want to apply it more and more. This definitely gives you a very high shine. As you can see, it is totally looking very plumped. My lips look very plumped, and it's so comfortable to wear. It is very light, I would say. It is not at all, you know, greasy, or, you know, sometimes the lip gloss formulation can be a little bit heavy, a bit thicker. It's not like that. It feels like I'm wearing a Vaseline or a lip balm on my lips, and it looks so good. So yeah, these are actually one of my favorite glosses, and I'm actually going to buy a couple of other glosses from her because it's very beautiful, as you can totally see. So this is how my makeup turned out. I actually loved everything except I did not like the highlighter, which I obviously did not apply, but you can totally see from the swatch as well how bad this highlighter was. The blush also, I'm going to apply this, don't you guys worry. I'm going to look very ugly while applying both of these in some other video, but since I had another product, so I didn't really test this out. Now this eyeshadow I actually did put up while I was testing it yesterday. I felt it was pretty good. We'll check that out in some next video. The blush and the bronzer, this thing, I think it was pretty okay. I mean, yeah, when I am in a hurry, maybe I'll use this as like a blush and a bronzer together. Right now I don't know how I feel about this as a blush and a bronzer both, but the color did look pretty good on me. The inside highlighter was definitely a hit. I really love this highlighter, especially applying that with a sponge. Gave me this beautiful lit from within glow. And the TF Beauty, this eyeshadow, it is so good. I love it so much. I wish you could, you guys could see how beautiful it looked from up close. Like in real, it definitely looks very beautiful, and especially when you apply that with your fingers, it is a very good eyeshadow to apply with your fingers. I'm telling you guys, apply this with your fingers. You just need a tiny bit, tap tap tap, and that's it. So now coming on to the glosses, wow, the formulation is so good. I am so happy that she did send me these glosses, because now I can talk about them non-stop on my channel here, and you guys know how I feel about supporting small businesses. I really am happy to test these glosses out. And yeah, I loved everything today except the Palladio makeup was a fail. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys a lot. I'm gonna end this video here because I think this video is already unnecessarily long. So yeah, I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.